Hi everyone, I'm Julia. I'm actually a senior director in Mary Kay, formerly known as Juliana. I have been doing this for 9 years. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. Why I wear the crown? Because I'm actually one of the queen of sales in Mary Kay Singapore and Malaysia. Top sales for 3 years, 2012, 2013 and 2014. Okay, it's a bit heavy, I take it out. Okay. What I like about this Mary Kay, right, is the free diamond rings that they give. So I love the diamond ring that they give. I'm so attracted by the diamond rings and the crown. So, I remember when how I started this business was I used to be in the marketing and PR department for fashion beauty industry. And it was a terrible industry to be with because it's a very political industry whereby everybody bitch about everybody, so it's not a very, to me, right, I'm actually a very gentle person and very shy person. Do you not believe? So yeah, I was actually a very shy person. I don't even dare to stand in front of people to talk. But in Mary Kay, I surprised myself. I find that Mary Kay, right, is a place where an environment whereby women, right, will be very happy together, and then strong sisterhood, right, and then there's a lot of free rings, diamond rings given by the company, and then the company pamper you some more. Basically, the company is like a boyfriend, so they pamper you, they give you money, they give you diamond rings, they give you crown, right? It's a places where dreams come true. It's like Disneyland, to me Mary Kay is like Disneyland. And so after I joined Mary Kay, I started to have good skin. I started to learn how to improve my makeup techniques. I started to look younger and beautiful. I started to think to myself, wow, in this environment, I started to become thinking more positive and less worried. Because when I was doing this business, I didn't imagine myself to be able to stand in front of people to talk for so many hours, and then able to stand to talk to crowds, bigger crowd. My last bigger crowd was like 500 audience. I couldn't imagine myself doing all these things without Mary Kay. And my national director, Grace Cow, she's really like a mother to me. She always around with me and then give me a lot of advice, and then very patient with me as well because she knows who I am. She taught me a lot of things like how to people manage, how to love Thai people, how to groom people. I started to do the classes for people. I beautify a lot of women, and gradually a lot of women, right, become beautiful, and then they have more confidence in themselves. And then when they have more confidence in themselves, they have more confidence to overcome the life obstacle. Like just now this morning, actually I received a call from a HR person, a human resource person, and said that, hey, I really need you to groom this person because she looks like an auntie. So I really have calls like this, right, and asking me to groom their staff. So I'm really impressed with myself, like wow, I literally create an asset to myself. So as I gradually do Mary Kay, I started doing classes for people, beautifying women and beautifying my girls, right, my team members, and literally some of them was single back then, and then now they are married to a well-to-do family. So I'm very proud of myself that I groomed them to become so eloquent, so beautiful, that they can present themselves inside and outside of the house. And literally, I have my own YouTube channel right now. If I don't have all these experiences, I don't think I can stand in front of people to talk, especially in the video. I'm actually quite a shy person, right? So I couldn't imagine that I could do all these things. So I want to thank Mary Kay once again, and thank you, Gao Laoshi, for really supporting me and loving me and believe in me. Thank you so much. Thanks for the chance to be in your channel. Bye!